Boa noche, guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen. No, that's at the end, sorry. Just joking. Hi, this is Anne Britt and I'm here with another video. Here is mostly beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, mostly beauty. Okay, without further ado, let's get into today's video. We are going to address dark circles, puffiness, all that peskiness under the eyes. I'm going to first talk about the causes, and then I'm going to go on to the treatments that you can do for it, which actually will drastically reduce them pesky dark shadows. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's quickly address the causes. The main one is genetic, I'm afraid. Our good old mama or papa gave it to us. But that's just the way life is. Other causes can be fatigue, not enough sleep, like you need to get 6 to 8 hours rest, and especially us that suffer from dark shadows, it shows up even more when we have insomnia, we've not had a good night's sleep, so we need to get 6 to 8 hours sleep a night, hopefully. Okay, eye strain, eye strain causes dark shadows, being on computers, dehydration, not drinking enough, dryness around this area. When it comes to genetic as well, darker skin tones can have hyperpigmentation around the eye area. And then there's also the natural aging process. The skin is already thinner around the eye area, and as we age, the blood capillaries, the blood vessels become more noticeable. And it can also be lack of vitamins, B12, D, E and K, and yeah, overexposure to the sun. And now we're going to go on to the remedies. Now the first remedy, you're probably going to kill yourself laughing, but it's a proven remedy, trust me. Tea bags, and I'm not saying it because I'm Scottish, because we are tea addicts. I'm saying it because honestly it works. Just 20 minutes to soothe the eye area. With my little clip there, I was putting cold tea bags on the eyes, and basically you just make the tea just like regular tea, right? Boil the tea, let it cool down. You can also put the tea bags in the fridge. So this is by the way of a cold compress. So the reason why this actually works and it's beneficial, you lie there for 20 minutes, chill out, is because of the caffeine and the antioxidants that's in the tea bags. You can use regular black tea bags or green tea bags. That's solution 1. Solution 2, you can use Hydrogel eye patches. These ones are collagen. Hey, hey, I feel like a Bond girl. Gold finger. Doo-doo. Okay, so as I say, this is hydrolyzed collagen and lavender. So we're going to revitalize, re-energize the eye area. And we're going to have a wee lie down back in my purple boudoir. Why hydrogel patches are good is because the hydrogel allows the maximum absorption in this delicate eye area of the serum, the peptides that's within, within the ingredients. These ones here are collagen. It doesn't have to be a big expense. These were 6 pairs for $5. So these are actually really good to use as well. You can use them like 3 times a week. You just lie there, put them on for 20 minutes, and then you'll feel it's nice and cooling and soothing for the sensitive eye area. And the collagen ones are very good, but you can also get them with green tea, retinol, ceramides, vitamin C, all different kind of ingredients out there, which is beneficial. Now, the third and fourth, what I recommend, which you're going to see in the next clip, is you can use either a jade roller or a rose quartz roller, okay? The differences in these I've explained in my other video when I do the demonstration of the rolling, but basically they both do the same for under the eye area here, is very cooling on the eye area. The rose quartz is actually cooler for longer, but what that does is it improves the circulation, it improves the absorption of your serum or eye cream. It can decongest this area, so it's stimulating the circulation and taking away the toxins in the lymph area. So you can do that in the morning when your eyes are more puffy. Another thing you can do is very natural solution is to sleep more elevated. So use more pillows so that you don't, the circulation is better, you're raised up so that you don't have this pool of congestion which can cause puffiness and sluggish circulation under the eye area. You're going to see in the next clip about the facial rollers and the eye cream. The eye cream, I just quickly wanted to add that out of all the years of being a beauty therapist and actually trying so many eye creams, this is the one, the Rock Retinol Correction, which I actually found fantastic results. After 2 months of using it, I can safely say the dark shadows have drastically reduced, and you know, it's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, dermatologically tested, and most importantly it's affordable. And retinol has been proven to be extremely helpful in correcting them 3 large areas: dark circles, puffiness, congestion, and anti-aging. So what more could you want? So without further ado, on to the next clip where I'm going to do the demo, and I will see you next time. The other things that you must incorporate for dark circles and puffiness, as that's what we're concentrating on today, is a retinol eye cream. This is going to be your best friend. Use it morning and night, and I promise you, you will see results, but you must have patience. I have just applied on my eye area. I use this AM, PM. It's non-irritation. You will not find any tingling sensation with this. Well, personally, I did not, okay? Retinol is proven for anti-aging purposes, but also for dark circles and puffiness. You will definitely see results, but patience is a virtue, because prescription retinol, obviously the percentage is higher, so you'll see results quicker with a prescription. But when it's in other skincare ingredients, the percentage is not as high, so obviously it takes longer to see results, but I promise you, you will see results with this. So that is my other suggestion for dark circles and puffiness. Please invest in a decent eye cream. If you don't want to go to the extreme of using retinol, for me personally, I want to, because I definitely know as a spa therapist over the years, retinol is the key ingredient for skincare, for anti-aging, for many different things. But if you don't want to go that route, use one at least that has caffeine and antioxidants. Basically what you're wanting to do is stimulate the circulation and, you know, activate the production of collagen. So with that being said, that's my other suggestion. But what I'm going to do now is show you my other tool for fighting puffiness and dark circles, is to use a roller. You can use a rose quartz, or you can use the jade one. Jade, the difference I have between the two rollers, the facial rollers, is in my other video, but basically this one is for sensitive skin, more mature skin like moi. Jade is more for oiliness and congestion. They're both good. They both give the same results, but that is your main difference in how you're going to choose. And what you simply do is the smaller end here, you always roll from the inside out. You can do this in the morning if you feel you have more congestion under the eye area because you've been lying down all night. Doesn't do you any harm to do it every morning, but if you don't have time for that, well, you know, do it 3 times a week, whatever. It doesn't do you any harm. It's up to yourself entirely. This is also very good for sinus congestion. You know, and it feels very cooling on the eye area. That's the difference you'll notice with the rose quartz and the jade, is that the rose quartz keeps cool for longer on the skin. You can use the big one here, as I'm doing, to roll across your eyelids. Also, it just feels super de-stressing, and this is also good psychologically for anxiety, believe it or not. So you're getting 2 in 1. It's not just the physical effect, it's also the psychological effect. And there you go, voila. Now that is my other suggestion for anti-dark circles and puffiness. And this helps with the lymphatic drainage. It's going to stimulate the circulation, you know, take them pesky dark shadows away, and it's just another fantastic tool to use. So if you want to see my video, I'm going to be doing a video on how to choose between the rose quartz, the jade, the effects of the rollers, and you know, all the way from the décolleté right the full face. You can see the other video in the playlist. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you guys, and please subscribe to see more helpful beauty content. Okay, on a budget, of course. See you next time. Bye.